Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marilyn Loting. I'm 44 years old. My height is 150 centimeter. I don't have any long medication maintenance. I don't have any tattoo. I am single but have live-in partner with 2 children. I am high school graduate. I have TESDA and C2 work training. I have work experience in Dubai with 3 years, 7 members, 1 couple, and 5 children. My main duties is ironing the clothes, cooking, baking, washing the clothes, car washing, and cleaning the house. My second employer is in Saudi. There is 7 members of family also, 1 couple, and 5 children. My main duties also is cooking, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, car washing, and gardening. My third employer is in Saudi also. The 2 elder couple, 78 years old and 75 years old. My main duties is bathing them, give them medicine, massage them, cooking, cleaning, and ironing. I hope, Ma'am and Sir, you hire me. Thank you.